Welcome to the Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform on the cloud. In this onboarding guide, you will understand the necessary features to experience the power of 3D experience on the cloud. We will cover the program scope, defining setup scenarios, and implementation plan in this onboarding guide. Program scope. The program scope covers a checklist of adoption points. In the first 3 days, you should activate the platform setup, configure attributes, to kicking off a pilot project. Within the first month, you should be familiarized with processes, like uploading existing designs, and planning ahead, with customer desired outcomes in mind. And by the third month, you should have fully integrated adoption points, like managing extended product development processes, and implementing customer-specific best practices. Completing the program scope will ensure you are well-versed with the features of 3D experience. Moving on to defining setup scenarios. In this section, you will learn to customize your ideal 3D experience setup that comprises of roles, collaborative spaces, and dashboards. You can determine your persona and create user groups under roles. A team-based user group can be set up to make sharing and collaboration easier. In collaborative spaces, you can organize learning and share content securely. Create your own dashboards to connect information from varied sources in a simple and customizable fashion. Customizing your setup scenario will help you successfully optimize your workflow for different project needs. Implementation plan. Your implementation plan covers detailed breakdown of tasks and suggested time allocation to keep your projects on track. Your implementation plan includes 5 areas. First, kickoff. Identify the implementation overview suited for your organization. Next, administrator onboarding, where the administrator and users get onboarded with the program features. Platform configuration. Customize the platform to your preferred work arrangement. User onboarding. Getting your project team acquainted with the 3D Experience platform features. Hands-on user training. Detailed user training with e-learning content available on 3D Experience EDU space. Need help? Don't worry. Your local resellers are here to guide you through the whole implementation process. Congratulations! You have completed the onboarding guide. Here's a recap on what we went through. Get familiarized with the 3D Experience platform to explore beyond basic design and workflows. We are here to support your journey.